What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we got Rengoku. Haven't done Rengoku in a while. It's Esoteric Art, 9th form. That's stance, you know, where he's kind of lower down and the sword going back this way. So I'm on a landscape page. Use pencil and eraser for these. Sketch it out lightly. You can always do your ink on top after you do your pencil, right? So we start with his nose, right? So head is over to the left hand side of my page, and we're going to just start with his nose here, right? So we're going to go out like that, and then we'll bring it down, and then in and down to there. We got a nostril just about here, and maybe a little bit more of a nose line just there. He's got like wrinkles on his nose, right? So like this kind of stuff. His nose kind of goes up that way. And then maybe like some hatching on his nose as well. So open eye to this side of the nose, closed eye to this side. We'll do the big eye, the closed eye first. I'm going to start with the eyebrow. So we've got curl line there, and then the eyebrow comes around and up here, right? And we got these two spikes that kind of stick off here, right? 2 or 3 spikes. It's hard to see. It's 2, yeah, 2 spikes with big eye, big eyebrows down to there, right? And then like another frown line sort of in here. And the eye is closed, so we've got like big eyelash line, like here, spike, and then it curves down back to there, and this is all dark inside here. So closed eye. So you can have like some, it's like a damaged eye. So there's like all scratch marks and dirt and things going around it, right? So eyelid lines and stuff, but lots of debris and things, like scratches and stuff. So our other eye, head tilted, right? So the eye goes like up here, the eyebrow, the other eyebrow. So go, say like up here. This is his other spiky eyebrow. And then back down. Like that. And his eyelash line goes this way. So it's because we got a head tilt, right? And the eyes, that's why the eyes are different, sort of both sides. I know it's kind of tricky, but try your best. So this eyelash goes this way, and he's got real spiky ones, like real sort of pointy on the ends. Comes back down, quite thick as well, and then around the bottom of his eye. You know, and you can thicken up the top eyelash line as much as you want, really. It's normally really thick. And then his iris and his pupil. So he's got like a bullseye for an eye. So it goes around. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle, because that's just kind of the style of Demon Slayer. Makes it easier for us. And then another one. And then another one. Like that. And then we have some, like, again, eyelid lines and maybe like some stress lines just around here. Now remember, if I go too fast, just hit pause. Slow it down. So his mouth then, just underneath his nose, right? His top lip So it will go this way, down like that, here, real small at first, and then it goes around for the middle of his lip, and then down to there. It's bigger on this side because we're in 3/4 pose. The head is turned away from us, and this eye and this side of his face, we can only see a real skinny sliver of his face, okay? And his bottom lip just underneath, just there. So the side of his face runs down here behind his nose, comes down to his chin there, and goes behind like his hair or his shoulder, okay? So say like, we'll go up here to the eye, yeah. So we got like the forehead, right, starting here. Comes down that way. It'll kind of bend in a little bit at his eye and then back out for his cheek there. Okay, so that's like tricky now. That is like to get that, because it bumps out there, goes in a little bit and then back out a little bit again. It's not like a straight line, so take your time. And then we go down the side of his face like so, and then his chin comes around to there. And his chin goes under like his hair spike and his shoulder, right? So we've got like a hair spike here and his big shoulder here, but we'll just do more details on the face and stuff first. So say like another hair spike here, going up, and we'll meet his hairline, which is just this spiky kind of thing coming around here, like going around his head this way. Right, and like on the middle line, so the middle line for his face is here. You'll have a large spike just there. And then we go the opposite direction on the other side. And they're real small because the head is turned away from us. And then we do have a patch of blood, right? I'll draw it in. This is done in red. So you don't, if you're drawing in pencil, you would color this red afterwards. But I will draw it in manga style, just so we know where it is. Goes over his eye there. And then some coming down his lip. There, like that. Okay. So all that hair that Rengoku has, this is like the worst part of drawing Rengoku. So say his shoulder, we'll draw that in. Down that way. And then hair comes out from behind. You got like some texture just here, spiking up that way. And we got like 3 layers to his hair. He's got that fringe that goes around his face, then we have the back of his head, and then we have his ponytail. So we'll just do the fringe first, spiking all around, right? Let's take the time with this now, because his hair is quite particular. Like that. And this will go like to 2 in the middle, right? So we'll do the 2 in the middle first. So there. Right, so these ones go that way, and these ones will go down this way. Right, and these will go this way. Down there. And you know, you can have sort of texture lines coming up here. And like coming down his head. Like that, right? And then his ears in behind his fringe here. So comes around like so. What else? So then we have the second layer of hair. So say like kind of starting here, right? So this will go like around the back of his head, around the back of his ear. Oh, I forgot ear lines, sorry. Texture lines kind of in here, okay? Just like that. So it'll go all the way around and like down this way. It's kind of long hair as well and go in behind his ear. So there's no easy way of doing it really. You just have to start adding spikes that go all the way around. And these wavy spikes. It's kind of like his hair is like fire. That's the whole sort of idea, right? And he seems to have a part in the middle of his hair as well. So that goes some texture just going that way. And then these go down this way. Like that, and then long stick out. So they go around his head. You could go that way, but it's long hair, so we gotta go out a bit further this way. Some goes in just behind his shoulder and there on his ear. And then like texture lines and stuff. So like maybe an extra spike inside with some texture. Third layer of hair then is like a ponytail, right? So it's like here. Ponytail or like a bun or tied up anyway back here. Easiest one so far. And like texture and things on that. So now, rest of his cape will go bumping this way. That, another one. There. That, his elbow sticks out to there. And then this goes up and down, like so. These are all just like fold lines now and stuff like that, right? So that's his elbow, that's his cape, down here, and then his sword. So you can't really see the writing on this. That's a flame. Okay, I'm talking to myself here now. Right, so his hand, right? So his thumb. So it comes out this way. Goes around for a knuckle, down to there. Next knuckle, like so. Thumb comes around here. You might have like a skin line, and then a palm of his hand line there. Maybe like a thumbnail or something on top. And then you should see some fingers or something coming over like there. To maybe like another one here. Just like clenching the handle of his sword. And then the hilt of his sword around this way. And it seems to have like spiking flame lines here. So, and then what we can see of his sword just goes off the page that way. You could use a ruler for this if you wanted, and maybe I will. I know it's probably gradually curved if you were going longer, but oh, there's another line here. But we'll do ruler. It's easier, and I do like making things easier. So, and then flame and writing, but I can't see the writing. That's unfortunate, but we'll add this sort of flaming stuff on the hilt of the sword there, like that. And then that's black and kind of shining, things like that. And if you want, you know, flaming aura sort of going around, that could be off fire, you know. I think I will add that actually. Just coming around here. Be down behind him. So this will all be like red and orange and stuff. Like that. And that's it. That's how to draw Rengoku Esoteric Art. 9th form. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.